Me, grind don't stop. For me, gotta make it noise at AM. Yeah. Who calls that shit sexy? I'm about to change the lights on this bitch. I need red lights. You two agree? I need red lights. Yo, it's a POV drive at 1:31 a.m. I'm outside. Mattapan, you know the vibes. We the fuck outside. And the cops are outside too. So be aware. But I won't give a fuck. Nigga, like, what the fuck? But anyways though, we chillin'. All you see is green, green, green on this beautiful day. I got the heat on because it's like 30 in this bitch. Give y'all a tour of the fucking city when there's no traffic. But that should still be packed though. And you know when they see a fucking honestly when the motherfuckers see a dog, they think niggas gonna be doing stupid shit. But nah, that's not what we on though. I got the flash on and everything too. So you definitely see my shit. But anyway, we gonna cut through because I'm not going straight down. It's not me. Anyways, man, we outside. A lot of motherfuckers outside too. This is like nighttime when shit get wicked. When shit get wicked, this shit get wicked. Like you get your ass on the fuck down. What's some light shit though? I had to get like a little bloggy, man. See what's going on. I had to, for real. I need to turn this flash off though. Oh, we got a little Dodge over there. What he on? He ain't on shit. That's some baby shit right there. Yeah, come on, this nigga's on my back, nigga. About back the fuck up. But anyway, we had the red light, man. We don't usually stop on no red lights. Let's follow the rules and shit. But if you gonna be behind me like that, nigga, god damn. Alright, niggas be on your dick. Better turn the fuck off me, nigga. But nah, we going to sis house this late. POV. Give y'all a quick little sitchy on dogs. They say on dogs. There's a chill little vibe. Cause niggas be cutting the fuck up this late night shit too. You know where the boys be outside, nigga. Like the boys be outside. Yo, yesterday was sunny as shit. I was inside. I'm sorry. But I'm outside now. Fucking outside, nigga. That's probably a nigga. But we outside, man. Shit, I'm not even going that fast. Come on, cut that shit out. Yeah, I should have cut down. What the fuck? But yeah, we just living life, you know what I'm saying? I had to give y'all POV at nighttime and shit. See how the streets is clear. But also gotta be careful because motherfuckers will run out and really total your shit. Like, on some shit that motherfuckers don't give a fuck. But for me though, man, just put this shit in trap. I don't wanna get pulled over. Cause nigga be think I'm fucking off the do this at home. Don't do this at home. It's 1:37, so it's like, yo, fuck this. But be cautious about this shit. Don't be no dumbass nigga. Drink like two. Gotta be careful too. Y'all ain't shit on the street. Like, you have your car go up, shit like that, nigga. Late night, nigga. Ain't nobody gonna tell you shit. Put that shit in tracky mode, nigga. Or drugs. Cautious though. You gotta be cautious though. You got this good ass content. You got pro go. Nigga, I would have been cutting the fuck up. Trying to keep this shit as long as possible too. Store putting that shit in. Think it's a fucking heli, nigga. It's a Scatty. It's probably the same car that was that early. Niggas go slow like this, bro. It's either they ain't trying to get nowhere. They ain't trying to, nigga. If you going that slow, nigga, get the fuck out my way. Fuck, nigga. But yeah, so we outside. Your boys really outside. Late night, nigga. Late night shit. Yeah, that's the see the cops. Cops be outside. They be right here. So don't act like they ain't never looking. They're waiting for a nigga to slip the fuck up. And that shit be bad, nigga. So, once they hear some noise on the street, automatically motherfuckers be like, oh, it's a dog charger running around. And you know, ain't nobody outside, nigga, driving shit like that. In my city, ain't nobody driving shit like that. They are, but it's not gonna be late night though. You got people walking late night shit. Just be all fucking suspects, nigga. See, we all behind this nigga. See, for me, I'm holding my camera, and it's like, can't do shit. Cause they definitely trying to pull me over type shit. Like, damn, nigga. Come on, son. They're trying to pull me over too. Hey, my shit fucking. And these outside. Like, everybody outside. When it's times like this, all the cops is outside. The whole force. See, that nigga go slow. This nigga gonna turn my way, bro. You damn right going this way with you too, nigga. Fuck you mean? You speed up, nigga, I'm on your ass, nigga. That's probably somebody's pops, nigga. Niggas that be walking at this time like they don't give a fuck. Niggas be tenant the fuck up. Mind you, all shit be tenant. So he ready to catch a nigga too. And he gonna hit his motor too. Like niggas give a fuck. I don't usually go this way. I'm just taking y'all POV ride. But they like to test niggas too, so they like to be driving on slow and shit. But when we get to our destination, I hit y'all boys back. You dig me? That shit sounds sexy though. You hear that motor? That shit sounds sexy.